Yes, so we'll continue this. Yeah, we'll continue this. So yesterday we filled these colors, right? So now we have to add these shadows for the character shadow, body shadows, and the ground shadows, right? And we plan to give some background also. So I'm trying to give completely this tutorial on coloring, right? So yeah, I'm giving that. Suppose here this line I want to do some correction. This could be there. Yes. Okay. Now Control S. Get this picture this side. See the body shadow is here, so I'm planning the same on here. Yes, I'm using this pen tool for this pen tool, and see here, suppose from here to here, from here to here, I'm giving this the shape. So by nodes and edges I did this, and suppose here you move up to here, and by using this cusp node yes, you move this bit up to here, right? And this can be there. Now observe this, what I'm planning. So I fill this color, but I want to use some shade. Yes, say okay. And this I am, see this, right click on that and power clip inside. Yes, see, it is went inside. Beautiful. Then what you do, so before doing that we remove this outline. The outline is actually not required, so none, outline is none. And now select this, right click and power clip inside and get inside. So perfect. See this, it's like very good shadow. And for this also the same way I'm planning here to here. Suppose Control Z, from there, suppose here to here. Suppose this and this and this. Now give the shape for that. So proper shape I want, right? And I'm using this cusp node here, right? And fill this with this color, right? And remove this outline and none, right? And then a right click and power clip inside, right? Wow, it's beautiful. Control S. And again for this face for this face I'm using See, this is my actual the shape, and adjust them properly and use cusp node here. And move this point up to here. Yes. Now see, fill this with the skin color. This is my skin color, but I want bit shade. Yes, say okay. Yes, now remove this hairline, right, and right click and power clip inside. See, so went inside, beautiful. And here also, so here also I am doing shadow. So with pen tool again, draw this shape by using this nodes and edges, and I'm filling this color. And suppose remove this outline, none, and right click and power clip inside. See, went inside. The beautiful. It's very easy to add shades. So Control S, and now here for this portion I'm planning, and again from here to here to here. Yes, yes, right, and fill with this color and remove outlines and none, and right click on that and power clip inside. Second, so Control S. Yes, first I'll make on skin. Second, I'm using this up to here. Suppose up to here. See, from outside I'm taking this and connect. With shape tool, draw nice shapes. I'm using this cusp node. And give some adjustments here and move this back. Right, perfect. Now fill with this color and remove this outline and right click on that and power clip inside. Perfect, right? And for bangle also, I'm doing the same. From there I'm using this, right, and I fill with a red color, but I want red shade here. Save OK and remove the outline, right, and right click and power clip inside. Yes. Perfect. So Control S Yes. Yeah, here I want to adjust this point here, right? Yes, Control S. And now I'm using this pen tool for this side. Now suppose from here to here, and again for this side to that side. Suppose here, and I'm connecting up to here, and to give shapes I'm using this shape tool. So I want curve here. Yeah, here I'm adding one more point, so that point you can match here. Can match here. So right. Yes, see here I'm using cusp node here. Right? Yes, perfect. Now fill with this color, fill with this color, and remove this outline, none, and right click, power clip inside. Beautiful. And now here for the bangle, for the bangle also you draw point from outside, connect this and fill with this red shade, and remove this none, and power clip and inside. Beautiful. So Control S. It's very easy to fill that. Next here, come to the dress area. Yeah, I'm using this pen tool again. So from there, so give that curve according to that body shape, then only it looks good. Connect here and give a nice proper shapes. By dragging this shape. Yes, this is nice. Control Z, Control Z. This is nice. Next, I fill with the green color. So where is your green? This is not this is, this is, I think this is, yeah, this is the same color I want in shade, dark color, right? Save OK, filled. Now remove that outline, none, and right click on that, power clip inside, and click on the green dress. Wow, very nice, right? So Control S. Now come to here, this area. So I'm using the brush tool here. I'm using Alt on keyboard, Alt on keyboard. So up to here. Yeah, Control Z. I'm using Alt here. Yes. Here I want to give proper shape. The handlers are there. I'm using this cusp node. Get this up to here. Yes. And here I fill with this shade, the green shade, right? So here also you can remove outline. Not required, outline. Yes, perfect. Here also we give a small line. Suppose here to here. Right? And use this shape tool to give a proper shape. Yes, in this fill this a dark color, right, and remove outline. None. So that is, suppose this can be bit, extend this and right click and power clip inside and add inside. So now it is looking nice. So Control S. Very nice. And then come to this dress portion, the bottom. Again I'm using this. Yes. Now here give some adjustments here, because it is straight line, and give curve here. So that line you drag onto that, right? And here also, because it is straight line, use this convert to curve so that you will get the smooth line. Yes. So this point you drag up to here. right. Now drag this hand level, right. So you match to that the black line. Yes, perfect. Very nice. So this point you can drag more outside. Yes. Yes, this point. To drag this. Yes. Now I'm filling with the same dark color, suppose this, and I'm giving shade. So okay, save okay, and fill that one, and here you can remove that none, and right click and power clip inside. So it's went inside. That this color, suppose I want to add bit dark here because it is almost dark, look like dark. Yes, fantastic. So now here there is a line, just you remove that, not required now. Very nice. So Control S, and then for the legs, so here I'm using again this pen tool. So from there to here, suppose from there to here, I'm using this. And connect to this node, right? Then fill with this skin color, suppose that shade. So here it is a bit more shader I want, because it is under the dress. Say okay. Now I remove this outline, none, and right click on that and power clip inside. Yes, this went inside, beautiful. Then for the next leg, so again from there Control Z, so just remove this line, add again. Yes. Sorry. Now I'm using this shape tool to give a proper shape. I'm using this cusp node, right? So drag this node to bit back, so more bit back, so that we give a nice plain color. Means what? The plain shape. Yes, this is good. Very nice. Now fill with this shade, right, and remove this outline, none, and right click on that, power clip inside, yes, add into that. Very nice. And control S and give for the shoe also, because here I'm giving color to shoe. Yes, so I'm taking this shape up to here. Yes, now the same color I'm filling, sorry, the shoe color, yes, this is I'm using, but I want shade of that. Say okay. Now remove this none, then right click and power clip inside, get inside, right? Very nice. And the other side again I'm using pen tool, and see here from there to here I'm using, right? Yes. Now fill with this color, and suppose none apply, and right click, power clip inside, yes, nice, perfect. So control S. Very nice. And now come to this neck portion. Here I want to give some corrections here. It should connect here, right? And this line must be bit curved, not very straight. Yes, and this also should be curved. I think it is curved, and give that shape. Perfect. Yes. And this one here, suppose this one, suppose this area not required, so for that I'm using, to delete that I'm using virtual segment tool. So just click on that line, right? So control Z again. Suppose here, so I want to remove actually, but only that point, that portion only I want to delete only that point. Virtual segment tool I'm using. So what it is, entire portion it is going. Control Z. Yes, suppose this point, this outline, suppose here none, yes, gone everything, right? But here also I want to remove entire outlines. Right, I'll do that later. So I'm using the shape tool here and click on this. There is a shadow one, so control Z. Yeah, because it is power clip, so edit power clip, right? You move this, bit this side and say okay. Yeah, now it is good, perfect. Control S. Now I want to remove outlines from ellipse also, right? Here remove, and here also remove. Very nice. So I want to take nice shape here, so here I want to give the proper shape. Yes, something bit down here. Yes, this is nice. Control S, and here at cheeks area I want to give some shape. So here I'm giving this, right, and I want to fill colors with suppose red, but in that very pink light a color I want. So then you can remove that outline, and then what you do, you can down the opacity of this transparency I'm applying. For that here suppose that even transparency here it is applying, but I want a different transparency. So for that here I'm using interactive fill tool I'm using, right? So from the interactive fill tool here we have options. So that means what, your property bar is there. So from property bar suppose apply this color, right, and from there this you can turn that side, right, and suppose here I'm giving the transparency. So here it is, see, yes, very nice. So it is mixed with the skin color, right? Now you can check this. It's a good, but here I want to give bit a blur instead of the sharp line. So for that, so I want to use suppose bitmaps to blur, because the blur is not applied here. The reason is it is not photograph, right? So for that what I'll do, so there is no a blur for this, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is okay, but something is looking not realistic. Yes. Yeah, so I'll select this again with the same tool, and here so I added this one, and I move this up to here, the center, and suppose here I'm using this light color so that it will mix with that, right? Mix with it. And here so I'm using this transparency. Yes, now it is nice, and you can adjust this because it is there. Just we check, if it is good then we'll continue, otherwise we'll remove that. No, so just it is looking like patch, right? Instead of that we give one line here at cheeks, give this line right, and we fill with this color and remove outlines, but this should be very light color, so look like a skin tone only, but a bit darker than that. That's it. That much. Otherwise more bit darker. Yes, this is enough. Right, so you can adjust some lip area, sorry, nose area. This nose tip can drag up to here, and you can reduce this size. So this you will delete this. I'm deleting with this delete node. So now you get here. So with this handler, I give that shape. Nice. So here it is, anchor, and here I want to create one more anchor point. So I'm giving double click and take this up, right, and to check this, right. Suppose you can give some adjustments here. I'm using this cusp node. I'm using this cusp node. Yes, here up to here. Right. So here I'm trying for the good shape, the nose good shape. So I'll try to delete this. Yeah, this is okay. Yes, now it is looking good. Yes, control Z. That point is needed compulsory. Yes. Now see this. So this is, and here actually I want to give shade, so then only we'll understand actual shape. For that, here I'm using Alt to give point there, and from there, see this, I'm giving this shape. Right, and suppose attach here, it is not attaching anyway. Here I want to use the power clip option. So control Z, I'll do again. So control Z, I'm giving, right. Again I'm using this pen tool, and suppose from there to here, this portion I want shade. Yes. right. So now adjust these nodes. On nose, I'm using this cusp node to move this line on that. Right. And here I'm using this to get inside, right? Here now see, here the shape must be clean, so should not be look like jerky and zigzagging. So for that, so I'm giving the adjustment. Suppose here I'm using this cusp node to move this. So here to here, suppose I'm trying to delete this point, Control Z, yes, then here this line get inside. Suppose Control Z, yes, this point needed, but I want to adjust more properly. Yes, almost good. Right. In this, I'm filling skin shade. So this is I'm giving. Now I'm to remove this outline, none, right? So it must be shade, not like that. Should be like shade, something like, yes, this is good. And here I want to use for highlighter. So for that I'm giving, I'm drawing with pen tool, suppose here to here, because I want to remove these outlines. So I'm using Alt on keyboard, right? And I'm using this shape tool to get that shape more properly. Right here I'm using cusp node to get inside this portion there and move that, right? Yes. Now this area I'm giving so more white, almost like a white. So add bit color here. Yes, this is right. And now remove colors, I mean remove outlines. I removed outline, and for the nose also remove outline. Then we will understand that nose area. But here the shape is not giving that, so I want to use a color, shape color. Yes, this is nice. So giving this a shape more properly. Right. Okay, nice. Right. So control S, then here so here I'm giving the shades under these eyes. So here to here, just like shades I'm giving, and shape tool I'm using, right, and I'm matching these points up to here, right, and move this much only. I'm using this cusp node. Yes. Now what to do? Now I'm giving this a shade, and remove this outline, or otherwise after removing this outline, you power clip get inside, no, control Z. So with power clip it's not giving that effect. Yes, here I want to remove these outlines for the eyes. Remove outlines and remove outlines, and here also remove outlines. Perfect, right? Yes, here also the same thing. I'm copy and paste, right? So here I want to adjust to that eye. See? So very easy to adjust. So control Z, pick that point and get there, and this side, now this point you move here, right? This is nice. And now remove these outlines. For eyes I am removing outlines. Click here and remove none. So again none. Perfect. So here you just move this point up to here. Yes. This also get and drag up to here. Control Z. So move up to here, right? Yes, up to here. Right, very nice. Here also if you check this, so click on this point, you will get this node and you can match here. Suppose it is up to there, we have to match. Yes, perfect. And for eyebrows also I'm removing outlines, and for outline also I'm removing, right? And for ear, inside that ear, just I'm planning that. That shape, right? So adjust this point and give this shape a dark, and I want more shade, right? And remove this outline. Gone. So this can be a bit lighter, should not be very dark. Say okay. So Control S, save that one. Here also remove these outlines, remove the outlines, right? And for hair also remove outlines. So remove these outlines. Here also remove the outline. This portion I want to give a bit darker to show the difference between this front hair and back hair. Yeah, here it is bit lighter than this one. Yes, to show this difference. Otherwise I'll do the Control Z. And here I'm planning again shades here. Suppose see here one point, and here 1 point, 1 point, and here it is one more point. Control Z. So here I'm adding these points to give that light and shades. Yes. So remove this here. I'm using cusp node here. So get this inside. Get this inside. click this point and keep this, move this point here. So what I'm adjusting, simply here what I'm doing, I'm adjusting all the points according to that shape. That's it. This is right. So there there I want to fill colors here. The same pink color I'm giving, but that the darker portion I'm giving bit darker portion to that, right? But before giving that, before giving color, so you drag this one, yeah, this you can drag this and keep there, and now give colors, right? And suppose I remove colors, I mean remove outlines, right? And this one you can remove outline. So this you drag and drop here. Suppose it is there. So what you have to do, this is there and this is there. It is almost at the top. So this is here. You drag this up to top. So over on. Yes. Now we keep this here, right? Beautiful. So Control S. And now remove outlines here also. So I'm removing all outlines. Removing outlines. Right? So here also I'm removing outlines. There at shoulder area also I'm removing outline. So at face removing this, right? And this hand I'm removing this. Perfect. And here also I'm removing this, and here also I'm removing this. Perfect, right? And this address, remove outline and remove outline, remove outline, and for leg also I'm removing outline, and this area also I'm removing outline, and for shoes removing outline, and here also I'm removing outline. Now see, it is beautiful. So for the BZ also I'm removing outline. Excellent. So Control S. So your light is here coming from this direction. In the bottom here you should add some shade, because that body shadow we add. For that I am taking this shape this shape, and I'm filling with a green. Suppose this is this green. I think this, yeah, this green, right? But I want a shade from that green. Yes, shade. Save. Okay. Now remove outline, right? Then right click on that and power clip inside, right? So power clip added. Here I don't want this so many curves here. so I want to remove this, and here also I want to remove this. So give some adjustments just like that, right? Yes, editing is over, right? This is, so what it is, a darker, more darker. I want not that much a dark color, so something like bit lighter. Say okay. This is okay. Otherwise, what I plan, I'll delete this and here I want to add draft shadow here from presets. Yeah, here. Yes, it is not coming, so I'm giving this. Yes. But I want a light color for that. So I want very light color. Yes, this is okay. So Control S, and I'm deleting this. So this also I'm deleting. Yeah, so it is locked, unlock object, unlock. So just unlock and delete. So many things are there to unlock. Unlock 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 and delete, unlock and delete. Unlock and delete, unlock and delete, delete. Yes, almost I deleted it. More few things are there. Yes. Yes, perfect. So now control S. Behind this, by giving the double click on the rectangle tool, you will get the outline behind this. See, outline added. Here I am using one color. So suppose that can be a darkest one, something like, or otherwise any light color also, just look like a sky. We'll check this. Yes. But more white. Yes, suppose you see this is the final work, right? Okay, because it is I think in white color it looks good. Yes. Yes. And here also remove outline. Right. Now control S. See, this is right. If you remove this out yellow color, yes, we remove this blue color, and if you add something, any other color, I think it looks good. Anyway, so control Z. So light color I'm using, control S, and I want to save this. So from file and export, right, on desktop, one with PDF. So in the settings, documents, object and prepress, I'm giving the bleed limit and all the printer marks, file information, so everything I'm maintaining. Save OK. It is saved, and now export as JPEG, JPG, right? Export and see there your image in preview. See, there's still it is not saved properly. So that means what? So this one, this you can move inside, right? And I want to move this edge to this. Yes, and this side, yes. This side also move this side. Get this node up to here. Yes, right. Now control S. Control S and saving for export. So JPEG image bitmap, right? Export. Yes, now it is good. See, it is good. Something that bottom also it has a problem. Yes, because this point this point move bit inside. Yes, this point move up to here. Yeah, this point is okay. Yes, now Control S, and again I'm exporting this. Export. Yeah, this is okay. Now I'm saving this. Okay. Sorry. So this is today's work, right? So completed this, and tomorrow onwards again the other things from CorelDRAW I'll teach you. So you try yourself any character, you draw any character, your character, or otherwise you trace any character, required character, and fill colors and add shades, right? So we'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.